NASA's releasing more incredible images of Pluto. It took the New Horizons spacecraft more than 9 years to get a close-up look at the dwarf planet and its 5 moons. Pluto is made up of mostly rock and ice. It will take about 16 months to transmit all of the images and data captured by the spacecraft. After seeing those pictures of Pluto, you can't help but ask and wonder, are we alone in this universe?
This is one of the most profound questions of our time, of course. Well, tonight our special report on UFOs continues as Luke Moretti probes the notion of life beyond Earth.
Yeah, can you imagine a day when we all realize that we're no longer alone in the universe? Is that day coming? And what kind of life are we talking about? Tonight, we ask the big question, are we alone?
Well, we don't know the answer.
But Buffalo State College Planetarium Director Kevin Williams believes we need to keep searching.
It would be incredible if there was not life outside of Earth.
And if there is life out there, what form does it take? Are they microbes flourishing in pools of water? Or something more substantial, like intelligent life capable of interstellar travel and communication? This is what everybody wants to know.
It is. That's what I want to know.
Cassidy Nicholas is a field investigator with a mutual UFO network known as MUFON, which tracks and investigates sightings. Well, we don't have the answer.
No, nobody has the answer.
There's no proof of
There's
anything.
there's a lot of different theories. There's a lot of different historical events that can put a lot of puzzle pieces together, but we don't know.
Just in the month of May, there were 900 sighting reports to MUFON from around the world, 737 from the United States. California, Texas, Florida, New York, and Ohio round out the top 5 states with the most reports in May.
People have always been looking to the skies to see what's out there, what may be coming.
Signal means to stop whatever you are doing.
During the height of the Cold War, we looked to the sky and hid under desks during atomic air raid drills.
It's one small step for man.
The 1960s closed out with a moon landing and Neil Armstrong's giant leap for mankind.
Space is there, and we're going to climb it. And the moon and the planets are there.
Buffalo State College professor Tim Bryant, a pop culture enthusiast, says there's an imaginative supplement of what else is out there that we don't know about.
We're being trained, really, to look at these technologies and look toward the sky. So naturally, the people themselves would imagine far beyond whatever any institution told them.
In the past decade, our understanding of planets around stars in our own galaxy has exploded.
We've gone from knowing about no planets around other stars, to now over 1,500 planets around other stars.
NASA is taking big steps toward an eventual robotic mission to Europa, a moon of Jupiter believed to harbor ice-locked lakes and a vast subsurface ocean.
Just the size of the universe, even the size of our own galaxy, the number of stars, the number of planets, even if a small fraction of those planets could contain life, there would still be lots and lots of planets with life.
NASA's chief scientist, Ellen Stofan, thinks there will be strong indications of life beyond Earth within a decade, and definitive evidence within 20 to 30 years. She's talking about little microbes, not little green men.
We know where to look. We know how to look. In most cases, we have the technology. And we're on a path to implementing it. And so I think we're definitely on the road.
At its core, the fascination with UFOs and the possibility of life, at least intelligent life elsewhere, come down to belief and doubt.
We doubt what we don't know. We may doubt methods. We may doubt the people who don't seek the unknown as we do.
The unknown is what drives Cassidy Nicholas and others in the UFO community to keep searching and looking to the sky.
There are so many things in this world that we don't understand. I want to know about them.
What don't we know? Apparently we don't know a lot.
So he says we don't know a lot, but scientists are hoping to change that. According to NASA, Jupiter's moon Europa is considered one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for signs of present-day life.
Incredible.
Yeah.
So when is NASA planning to do this?
You know, Don, the mission plan calls for a spacecraft to be launched at Jupiter in the 2020s. It would take several years to get there. And by the way, we have a web extra with more information on this topic on WIVB.com, so people can really dig down.
Interesting topic.
Yeah, it is. Fascinating.
Thank you, Luke.
Well, it's the kind of sighting that makes people take a long second look and ask, did you see that? A strange orange glow on the horizon last night has some residents in Waterloo wondering just what it was they witnessed.
Not uncommon to see some hail falling from the sky as the spring storms move through, but a family in Gray says an ice chunk, literally the size of a beach ball, fell near their home on Wednesday.
Mass alien abduction right here in Houston. One local man says it really happened, and he's made it his life's mission to track down extraterrestrial life.
Check this out. Dozens of people reported seeing this sight last night. A fireball streaking across the sky around 1:30 in the morning.
Many thought it was a meteor or maybe a meteor shower, but as News 13's Karen Wynn shows us, it was actually something man-made.